This recipe is a traditional Filipino dish made from tuna fish slow-cooked in a mixture of kamias, salt, and spices, resulting in a tangy and savory flavor. Arrange the kamias in a pan or in a regular cooking pot. Next, arrange the yellow fin. Add salt and pepper. This recipe is a Filipino dish, recipe that translates to braised fish. This dish is famous in the coastal towns of Batangas and Quezon Province. Exact measurements of the ingredients in the description box down below. On the right-hand side, there's a little drop-down arrow. Once you click on that, it will reveal the description. Add 1 head of crushed garlic. Add the rest of the kamias. Add the green chili. Pour in the water. The water level should be equal to the level of the fish. Turn on the heat and allow to boil. Cover and let it simmer for about an hour or until the water evaporates. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Ingredients: 4 pieces yellowfin, 8 to 10 pieces dried or fresh kamias cut into 4 parts, 1 head garlic crushed, 4 to 6 cups water, 4 to 5 tablespoons coarse sea salt or rock salt, ground pepper to taste, green chili.